Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 10. This is Section 3.4, Problem 10. It says multiply the given numbers, and you have 0.004 times 6.1. So to multiply this, what you want to do is first really multiply 4 times 61. Ignore the decimals at first, then put the decimals back into the answer. So start with 1 times 4 is 4. The rest is 0, so you can write them or not. It won't change the answer. You could stop here and start multiplying the 6, or you could say 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0. It won't change the answer. If you want to just keep it in the same format, that's fine. Then go down one level. So now to multiply the 6, you have to start with a 0, or just leave it blank and slide to the left one position. 6 times 4 is 24. So for 24, write the 4, carry the 2. 6 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 that you carried is 2. You can do the same thing. 6 times 0 is 0 again. 6 times the next 0 is 0. You don't have to write those zeros on the left, though it doesn't hurt. Now I can add. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus nothing is 0. So really, it comes out to 244 without the zeros in the beginning. But because of the decimals in the question, I have to put decimals in the answer. So how many places after the decimal in the question? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after the decimal. So in my answer, I have to have 4 digits after the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, even one more, one of those zeros. So my final answer is 0.0244.